Hi everyone, EdGO here. Today on this video, I show you how to test a 7-segment LED display. This component is a set of 7 LEDs that represent numbers. It is used in many digital devices. I got this from the panel of a broken digital weighing scale. And so let's get this tutorial started. This part of the video shows how I remove the component from the panel board. The solder has corrosion, so I put soldering lead and remove the solder with the desoldering tool. While heating the pins, I use a flat screwdriver to remove the component. Testing the component is quite simple as lighting the LEDs. At this point, I just need to determine the common ground terminal of the component. So I started drawing the face of the 7 segments LED and labeling the 10 pins from A to J. To test the 7-segment LED display, I need a battery, but instead I can use my multi-tester. This analog tester can light up an LED by using the lowest ohmmeter range. First, I set my ohmmeter to ×1 range. Then, reverse the test leads or test probes. The red in common negative and black in positive. The reason for this is the tester battery terminals are connected in the opposite polarity. Now I need to find the common ground of the LED display. To do this, I need to connect the black probe to one of the pins. Any of the pins will do. I chose to start on pin J. Then connect the red probe to the rest of the pins, one at a time. See if an LED will light up. During this test, no LED lit up. So now I reverse the connection. Red probe to pin J and black probe to the rest of the pins and test them one at a time. During the test, I observed that pin C and pin H lit up the dot or point LED. So that means pin C and H is the common ground and its negative terminal. And pin J is the dot LED. Next, we connect the black probe to either pin C or H, then test the rest of the pins. During the test, each of them lit up. Now we can plot or label all the pins with their corresponding LED as shown in the diagram. In this tutorial, drawing the component and labeling the parts or pins is one of the convenient methods in fixing or repairing something. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.